Isn't this a beautiful sight? Not. Okay, so this is a Peerless.
It is, but it's not yours.
What?
I said it's a beautiful sight, but it's not yours.
Yeah. It's Peerless, but it's not as good as Jake's or Peerless fronts, but it's Peerless. And I broke it! All these were seized, so I couldn't take the top off to get that off. And I was beating on it trying to get... I heated this up, I greased it, I put penetrating, I put
I found it.
everything on it. And that's what I get for beating on it. And he had one, but he had one, same problem, the tires wouldn't come off. But he gave it away, the case. So now I'm kind of stuck with a broken thing. And that's my new tractor, jacked up with transmission ripped off. His transmission broken. I have no more transmission.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't have one of those tools for that.
Yeah, so anyways, this kind of sucks, but oh well. I'm gonna beat some more on this and see if it'll come off. Take my anger out on it. Okay, bye. Okay, so transmission's all tore apart now, and that was all the old crappy grease. That's my new grease. This bottom is not the original. That's the original, but I don't want. I don't know. Wow, that shifter over there. The bottom piece isn't long enough, so it's supposed to sit way down there in that hole right there. But anyways, it must be the wrong one or something. And we found Jake has this bottom roller sitting in the grass pile or whatever, junk pile, and anyways, it was full of dirt and leaves and grease and everything. So anyways, on this one, that indent's there. On this one, it's meant for that kind of shifter. So anyways, we're gonna try it, and we'll be back if we see it, and we'll see if it works. Okay, we're going right across there. Let's see how deep it is. Anyway, let's go now. Again?